Toyota's GR86 Yuzu Edition is a Scion throwback. The hard-to-miss special edition of the GR86 adds upgraded suspension and brakes, along with an optional body kit. Painted in Yuzu Yellow, this special edition recalls the Scion FR-S Release Series 1.0. Limited to 860 units, it features exclusive styling and available performance add-ons. It's fitted with upgraded Brembo brakes and Sachs dampers for improved handling. Toyota is giving enthusiasts something to talk about, besides endlessly speculating about a host of future sports cars, with the reveal of a new limited-run version of its rear-wheel drive coupe. The 2026 GR86 is heading to US dealerships soon, and to mark the occasion, Toyota is launching the Yuzu Special Edition. This special edition model will join the existing GR86 and GR86 Premium trims, with just 860 examples set for the US market. It's aimed at buyers who want something a little more distinctive than the standard offering. While it would have been nice if Toyota went all out on this edition and created a high-performance, track-focused version, the new Yuzu Special Edition is not that. Even so, there are some performance changes, including the fitment of new Brembo brakes and advanced Sachs dampers to provide additional stability while preserving the GR86's trademark playfulness. To ensure that the Yuzu isn't confused with any regular GR86, Toyota has painted it in bright Yuzu Yellow. Keen Toyota enthusiasts may recognize this color, as it was first used by the Scion FR-S Release Series 1.0 that was launched back in 2015. It's a fabulous color and suits a lightweight sports car like the FR-S perfectly. Admittedly, that's coming from someone who owns a bright yellow Renault, so this paint might not be to everyone's taste. Toyota has also installed a set of new 18-inch matte black wheels, while found in the cabin are black surfaces accented with bright yellow touches. There are also ultra-suede sports seats with yellow stitching and perforation, while the yellow contrast stitching extends across the gear shift boot and steering wheel. For buyers who want to stand out even more, or just really miss the heyday of tuner culture, Toyota is offering an optional body kit. Looking like something straight out of the aftermarket, it includes an extended front chin spoiler, new side skirts, a distinctive rear bumper, and a larger bootlid lip spoiler. A catback exhaust is also available for a little extra growl. Under the hood, the Yuzu Special Edition doesn't mess with the formula. It carries over the same 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat 4 from the standard GR86, producing 228 horsepower and 184 lb-ft, 249 Nm of torque. Transmission choices are unchanged too, as buyers can pick between a 6-speed manual or an automatic. It's the same GR86 driving experience, just wrapped in a flashier, more exclusive package. As for pricing, Toyota hasn't said yet. Expect that closer to the 2026 GR86's launch this fall.